Hey guys, the best way to learn how to invest in real estate is to get out in there and just do it. That's what I'm going to do this weekend in Lexington, South Carolina. All day Sunday and all day Monday, I'll be holding your hand and making offers on fixer-upper real estate in Lexington. So you want to go ahead and get signed up. Go to the midlandsrea.com website or contact Bob Kim to get signed up for this training. It's $997, and that is an investment that will just keep on producing endless returns, because someone is going to hold your hand and teach you in the real world how to invest in real estate. Every time I come to Lexington, we get a deal and the class benefits. So get signed up for this thing. Go to midlandsrea.com or contact Bob Kim. And this is going to be the best training you could ever possibly receive. We're going to knock on doors all day Sunday this weekend. And then Monday, we're going to go to the foreclosure auction, and then we'll do classroom for the last half of the day, making phone calls to people that didn't answer the door. Go to midlandsrea.com and get signed up for this training, and you'll get a home study system when you arrive. I'll see you there.